Shraddha, we often hear a lot of men saying midlife crisis, but I'm sure a lot of women also face it. This midlife where kids have grown up and they don't know what to do. So, how do you think women can reinvent themselves in this phase?
See, I feel this is an opportunity for women. In our society, it's always been women's responsibility to take care of the house and the kids, and their education, their everything till the time they're grown ups. So once they are independent, I feel the women feels that void because she's been so busy raising them, taking care of the house, chores, and everything. Unknowingly, I feel, that becomes her life and that emotional connect. She naturally loves to pour herself in something. And suddenly, when she sees that the kids, they don't need her anymore, they want to be on their own, they are independent, that's when the issue comes and she feels that I'm no longer needed, I'm useless. So this is the time, in fact, I feel all the women should take it as an opportunity and see that whatever things they couldn't do in their early life or while growing up. I'm sure there are many such wishes and ambitions and so many things that they want to do but they couldn't do. So I think this is the time they can reinvent themselves, the hobbies, the things that they couldn't do. This is the time they can really explore. They can reflect and take their me time, travel. Maybe solo travel is something they can really do. That really helps, because what happens when we are in the same atmosphere growing up, we develop a comfort zone, and then the thought process also goes the same way every day, the same routine. But once you step out, once you travel, you are in unknown territory. That gives you a different perspective about life, about small things that you see differently. You meet new people. So I feel solo travels or travel is a very good idea when when a woman feels that she has all the time to herself now. And apart from that, they can pick up all their hobbies, join some social groups. Today's time, they are trekking, hiking, traveling, singing, dancing. So many communities have been formed for women, for entertainment, for learning, for growing, for grooming. So we must make use of this time, look at this time very positively, look at this time as an opportunity, and make best use of it.